One owner. 5.3-liter V8 engine with active fuel management, new body style, full 4-door crew cab, short BOX 5.5-foot box, SLE1 Package 3 SASLE, automatic transmission, turn dial 4x4 4-wheel drive, black ebony cloth interior, 40/20/40 split bench seating with hidden center seat storage compartment, Z71 off-road suspension package Z71, and Star, stable electric, towing package receiver hitch, transmission cooler, and wiring, 3.73 gears with limited slip differential, power mirrors, white letter Goodyear Wrangler at SP265/70R17 tires, Bodiner, keyless entry, CD player, LATCH child safety system, rear defrost, compass temperature rear view mirror, tinted windows, fog lights, factory alloy rims, air, cruise, tilt, power locks, power windows, factory powertrain limited warranty until 100,000 miles. This truck is eligible for an extended parts and service agreement. One owner. Very clean inside and out. Runs and drives excellent. This is one of the sharpest half-ton 1/2-ton Chevys we have on the lot. Like new all the way around. Don't hesitate, our new body style granite stealth blue metallic GMCs don't last long. Call now. 1-866-606-9906. If you are a complete inventory of over 350 trucks and SUVs at http://www.lenzauto.com. If you are looking for financing, Lenz Truck Center can help. We have on-the-spot financing. Bad credit or good, we will work with your 17 banks to get you approved and for a great rate. If you live far away or close to us, we make it our promise to make sure you are a happy customer before, during, and after the sale. Lenz Truck Center has been in business and family-owned for 20 years. With a new generation taking over, we plan on making this the place you and your children buy their next vehicle. Lenz Truck Center is the country's fastest-growing dealership. Lenz Truck Center has grown from about a 40-vehicle inventory in 1999 to almost 400 today. Our selection is unmatched in the industry with 100 Ford Super Duties to choose from. Over 100 Chevrolet heavy-duty trucks including 75 Duramax diesels, 85 Dodge diesels, over 100 half-ton and hard-to-find subs. All here in Fond du Lac. Why? All of our vehicles are Lenz certified and ready to be delivered. Disclaimer: dealers shall in no way be held liable for any errors or omissions to be found on these web pages. All prices are plus any applicable state taxes and fees. We will do our best to keep all information current and accurate, however the dealership should be contacted for final pricing and availability.